That building there is where the Marble Arch Odeon used to be. And as you can see, they're putting up new tower blocks very, very quickly. And it's a lovely Monday out here in central London. And this is, I just wanted to show you this incredible statue. I think it's an incredible statue. Well, it's not statue, is it? It's more carvings, would you say? Carvings?
No.
Sculpts.
No.
So that is where the Odeon Marble Arch used to be there. It's now that new, very, very expensive high-rise, which is going up. But this, I think, is quite ingenious. These sculptures, and I don't know what they're made out of, whether it's I don't know. Last year Extinction Rebellion were here, they literally took over this area. But these elephants, I mean, that's what I call a work of art. That is, isn't it? I think so.
It's superb.
Yeah, the mother and all the baby elephants. Yeah. They talk about breed like rabbits. I mean, this is breed like elephants, isn't it? Yeah, so, building there going up.
Well, there's the sign.
So the elephants, you can see, are ignoring the social distancing. But they're all a few feet apart. So I'm not sure who the artist is on this. Find out. First day of the summer. I think he's given them all names. There, their name. There it is, the orphans. I don't know who the artist is. Let's say. You think they'd say who the artist was? All quite authentic, done to scale. He's even got down the sex, male. He's even named them. Oh, here, by artist Gilly and Mark, whoever they may be. All of them are by Gilly and Mark. And they've all got different names, male, female. Quite a little family of elephants here. So that's, I'm not sure. It's by artists called Gillian Mark, apparently, whoever they are.
Most phenomenal ones I've ever seen.
Yeah, about Gillian Mark. So yeah. Husband were equal warriors, yeah. So it's strange that this was the site of Extinction Rebellion. They literally took over this area last May.
Extinction Rebellion, were you?
Yeah, I had a look at it. It was just incredible. I mean, they literally took over the whole area. They had a stage there, the Extinction Rebellion, and my friend in America was telling me, they've got some power, but nothing like they have over here.
I was down here too.
Yeah, but they were giving out free food and everything.
I know. My friend is 74.
Yeah.
He's born now. I'll just take this. I'll take one of you later.
Okay.
My friend was down here. She's 74. She slept out.
Oh, right, yeah, they all did. They had tents, yeah. And over there, this Marble Arch and the infamous horse sculpture, the horse head there, yeah, it's also. So there's a lot of life in, despite the lockdown, there's still quite a lot of life. One or two people sunbathing.